called All Things Sewer and Drain Care. You can find us on allthingsdrain.com. We're out here in Providence, Rhode Island right now. We just got a call from a customer saying that their sewer's backing up into the basement. We're going to go check out and see what's going on. Welcome back again. We've successfully jetted the customer's sewer line and we found a root system in there. We're going to go ahead and camera inspect and then locate where the problem is and then give a customer a solution to fix the problem completely. Okay. We were able to successfully jet this line clear. Unfortunately, he has a major amount of roots, as you can see here on the camera. This is right before the city ties into the line, so we're going to go ahead and locate where this problem is and instruct the customer further of what he needs to do to handle this with the town, because this is most likely a town issue. Thank you for tuning in. You can check us out at allthingsdrain.com.